Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going to Hobby Lobby for their 50% off Christmas sale. Now the last Hobby Lobby video I done, it was only 40% off Christmas. Now it is 50% off. So let's see that clearances. Come on guys, let's shop. Furniture 30% off as always. 50%. Christmas decor guys, there it is. That's even better. Anything Christmas is 50% off. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so 50% off, I guess they showing is, that's pretty guys, look at that. 50% off. It's considered fall home party decor, so I guess it's considered Christmas also. But Hobby Lobby, all the aisles are packed. Oh, look at these, those are so cute. But I kind of don't want to do too many pumpkins because we already did the pumpkin thing. So let's go over to the Christmas stuff. Oh, mother, these are 50% off. Yeah, I walked in without my mask. That's pretty. Let's see how much it is. Is that 99 or 89? So they made everything 50% guys, but that thing I touched was $89. So if you want to pay $40 for that, I mean, come on, or you could make it. These are nice. Oh, look at the cookie jars.
I know.
Cookie jar.
Cute.
There's the Grinch. The man of the season. Oh, these are sealers, envelope sealers. 50% off, so that's $1.99. $1.50. I'm not good at counting, everybody, so don't be correcting me. What's this? Is this for a baby? Cap and socks. Oh, for a baby. These are 10. Yeah. Yep.
Sandy used to do it.
Like mother said,
baked cookies.
Baked cookies. And the tins are big this year. I guess because of COVID, it's real big.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
People gonna go out. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, that's a see. Oh, and that's see-through.
Yeah.
What is this? 24 days to wake up and make up eye candy. Christmas decor, the baskets. All of the Christmas mugs. All of them. Oh, now this is different.
Oh,
that's cute. It's not the little belly. That's cute. I think that'd be cute for just this little deco. Half. Remember, all this is 50% off. We gotta go see the ornaments, guys. You could make these. Oh, look. Black and red is out again as placemats, which I think is so nice. And then the black and white is out too.
Okay, are you still doing it?
So this was my theme last year. Trucks, all of the red trucks. That was my theme around one tree. I usually have 3 trees, so I gotta see how I'm gonna do those. I don't want to have one, and then the boys just get their tree to decorate like kid trees. Look at that. So I'm into table runners, guys, so look at that. Yeah, I like that one too. I really like this one. More of a farm look. Yeah, farm look. I like that one. Santa's fine too, but I don't want to make my table about the kids, so it's about the whole family. They lights are 25% off. So here are the ornaments that me and my mother kind of collect ornaments. Those are pretty. Let me check. Okay, so that these ornaments are pretty expensive right now because that one was $9.99 and half off. That's expensive. So be careful, guys. We'll be looking at different stores for ornaments, but an ornament is really big in our family. Ornaments are. So I like these. Okay, so you all know I love this. Ivy's Coupon Camper. Y'all know that, right? Okay, so $5.99. So this is $3. Now that's nice. This one is $3.
In half it'll be like.
So I grabbed one of these. We're going down the row. It's a little bear. So this is kind of like the country, a farm Christmas. Look, Mama.
Oh, ain't he cute?
Yes, he's gorgeous. Now he's $4.99, so he is $2.50. I feel like that could be made, so I wouldn't buy that. I feel like this could be made. It's just a block with this running through it. Look, guys, my mother loves birds, owls, that type of stuff. He's $4.99, but 50% off, so he is $2.50.
Yeah.
And she grabbed her a bird, an owl, and a bear. And I'm the one who wants the farm, and she got all the farm animals on her tree. Oh, look at the little squirrel. Yeah, I remember we used to make these in school. Look at it. And then I had a little machine. It was a sewing machine you bought me, and it made stuff out of this felt stuff. My mother liked him, but she said he was too flat. Look how flat he is. He's so flat. And he is $4.99, but... Okay, guys. Now, I have found the coal. This is beautiful. Look, Mother. I'm getting this.
Oh, that's cute.
Now, this could be made also, but I like this for $3.99, so it's $2. Yeah. My mother liked this, guy. This avocado. Let me see how much it is. $5.99. See, I have taught her well. She know that's too expensive. This is my brother. He is the barbecue king. Him and my husband think they are, yeah. There you go.
Even though, yeah.
Now, I like this.
Now, that's a cute squirrel.
Now, that's cute. And now, this is $2. You getting that one? I think I'm going to grab. Now, I will grab this one. Oh, now, I might end up having a burlap tree. Okay, so I'm going to get this one. This one also is $3.99, so it's $2. I'm going to try to do a $10. I'm going to try to do $10. But it's looking toward being burlap. And this styrofoam, and I feel like that can be made also. So I need like something like this. I'll need all these stars. But of course I'll make those. I won't buy none of that. Oh, look at that.
My tree look like this.
Oh yeah. It's spread it out, huh?
This way my tree look. Only it don't have a light on it.
I want this sleigh.
Where you gonna put that on your?
No, I want to know how to make it.
No, you gotta make a whole slide.
I know, that's the thing. That's the difficult part. I like this though. It's for my door.
Yeah.
Yeah. We didn't see this the last time we was here. Mother, move the buggy over. I like that. This like a swag. It's a swag, and that's new.
That's new.
That's new. How much is that? $79. Okay, guys, I just showed y'all. Make that. Okay, guys, I am convincing Mother she cannot do this again. We did this several times. We are done. Do you want to go down this aisle?
Yeah.
Let's go down here because I want everybody to see.
I want them.
These are the ornaments, guys. You know, in Hobby Lobby, they have all their stuff color coordinated. So I always say it's somebody in here OCD. It's OCD for real. So, guys, let me get my boys a set of these because y'all know they football players, right? Here you look.
I told you that's a bubblegum machine.
My mother said, that is so pretty. Oh, wow. I like that. So, the ornament's getting eccentric, you know. I would make these, of course. But if you want to buy them, they're $7.99. These are $9.99, even higher than the football. How to make some burlap. I know how to make these felt balls. I know how to do that. Stitch in. Okay. Look, guys, at the ornaments. Oh, wow. Yay. I'm dancing. So, I guess that tree going to be a farm look. So, look, Mary Farmhouse. I don't have a farm yet, but that's my goal next year, guys. So, you know, I'll be vlogging that. I'm buying a homestead. So, look at that. But I just showed, I saw these little things. What else is I love now that's nice for it. It's 3 balls. That's pretty. And that is 14, so it is $7.50. Then it's look mushrooms.
Ain't that cute?
That's cute.
Now that's different.
That's different. $12.99. They knew it was different too. Here's the animals I can get.
What is those? Those are 2 squirrels.
Yes. So I'm looking for not like a, well, I think that made out of cardboard.
And it's a lot.
Okay, so you guys can make that. Other than that, they $12.99. Even the bears, corrugated cardboard. Make that. The deers, corrugated cardboard. I wonder, is this cardboard? Yes, it is. The ball. What's this? I like all of those. But I don't want my tree to be animals. I want it to be burlap. That's what I want. Like, I like that thing. I like that. Which those are those round. That's gorgeous. Oh, that's new. I like that.
That's new. I've never seen
My mother really liked this. Is cotton Garland. Snowman. Burlap again. Made out of twine, burlap, silver. Okay, guys, so I actually like this too. The truck. Okay, I done went on my $10. But remember, guys, 50% off. Look at that. Oh, wow. I like this. This reminds me of the Grinch. The Grinch. It reminds me of the Grinch all the time. I don't know why.
But he has so many beautiful colors.
So this is called My Little Christmas, and you all see all of the little stuff. These are little ornaments that go on small, tiny trees. All of this stuff. All of it.
Like that. Table trees.
Yes, table trees. So you guys know the trees they make it now with all with the ornament balls into a complete tree. Those would make be cute to put that little stuff on. The lights are 25% off. They are not 50% off. So those are the lights. Here they are, the micro dots, indoor outdoor lights. And here is tiny lights, but they're only 25% off. They're not 50. These are the new lights they have out. Look at that. I think we did that. So here is more. What are these, Mother?
Stocking holders.
Stocking holders. There you go. Okay. See, and it's all kind. My mother said she never saw stocking holders before. See, y'all, we got her. We put ours up with a nail. Y'all just heard that, right? My mother was like, you gotta put that back. Put that sock back. And nail that up there. Oh, maybe I should give Valdosta these this year.
Yeah, Mr. and Miss.
Yeah, maybe I will get us those this year. So 1 tree down, 2 more to go. I like this too. But every year somebody give us one of these stacks. Now this is the stuff right here that's like really potpourri. You could
smell it.
Put it. You can smell it now. But like these are wreaths, little tiny wreaths, little tiny ornaments. They cranberries, all kind of shells, everything. Look at this. That's cute. Now that'll look nice on the top of the tree. I was thinking though. Hey guys, and what about putting this at the bottom of my tree, surrounding the bottom of it? Okay, and look at. So this is all the fun stuff. My kids liked it, the elf on the shelf. And I did get them some elves on the shelf from Party City when they were going out of business. So, yeah. And here's these shoes. We love these shoes. I think I showed these on the last Hobby Lobby video. So, I don't need to show those again. We have found some goodies. Even the Christmas pictures are 50% off, guys. So, if you're into Christmas pictures and stuff, which I am, pillows, all of that.
Yeah, me too. I'm into the pillows.
Yeah. I love the Christmas pillows, or I'll make mine. That is a big tree topper. That's kind of gloomy to me. But I did not see this the last time I was at here. I didn't see that sleigh. How much is it? $24. My mother gave a good idea, fill it up with candy. Talked about the bags, remember? So this is the new DIY, guys. The ball trees made out of the ornament balls. I saw some beautiful ones, so I'm gonna do one of those as a DIY too. Oh, we just said this would be nice in my daughter's house. She like elegance.
Yeah,
she's elegant, shiny. Okay, guys, this ends our Hobby Lobby Christmas walkthrough. I hope you all enjoyed it. Go out and get some shopping done. Bye.